Hey, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create 5 delicious, healthy, and quick flavors using just 2 simple ingredients, oats and dates. Whether you're looking for an easy breakfast or a snack that fuels your day, these recipes are packed with nutrients and can be made in no time. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the base of all 5 flavors. The foundation is super simple, just oats and dates. This combination provides a great source of fiber and natural sweetness, perfect for a healthy energy boost. Here's how to make it. Take 1 cup of oats and blend them into a fine powder. You can use either quick oats or rolled oats. Both work great. Next, take about 8 to 10 pitted dates and blend them with the powdered oats until you get a sticky dough-like texture. If the mixture feels too dry, add a little water or almond milk to help it blend. And just like that, your base is ready. From this base, you can create a variety of flavors depending on what you're craving. Let's start with the first flavor, chocolate peanut butter. This is perfect for all you chocolate lovers out there who still want something healthy. After making your oats and dates base, mix in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Knead it all together until the cocoa and peanut butter are well incorporated into the dough. Now you've got yourself a rich, chocolatey treat that's full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Next up, we have coconut almond for a tropical twist. For this one, mix in about 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut and 1 tablespoon of almond butter into the base dough. You can also add a splash of coconut milk for extra flavor and moisture if you like. This flavor is perfect for those who love coconut's natural sweetness and the creamy texture of almond butter. If you prefer something fruity, you'll love the cinnamon berry flavor. Add a handful of dried mixed berries, like cranberries, blueberries, or raisins, into your base. Then sprinkle in about half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. The dried berries give this version a burst of sweetness, while the cinnamon adds warmth and depth to the flavor. It's a perfect breakfast option. Now, for something a bit more savory, we have the nutty crunch. Add a variety of chopped nuts, like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, and seeds such as chia or flax seeds to your dough. Mix them in for an extra crunch and a great source of healthy fats and protein. This one is super filling and perfect for a snack to get you through the day. Last but not least, we have the vanilla honey flavor, which is perfect if you want something simple yet delicious. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of honey to your oats and dates base. Mix it all together, and you'll have a naturally sweet, light, and flavorful treat that's super satisfying. And there you have it, 5 incredible flavors using just 2 basic ingredients, oats and dates. These recipes are great for prepping ahead of time and storing in the fridge for up to a week. You can roll them into bite-sized balls or press them into bars, depending on what you prefer. They're perfect for busy mornings or whenever you need a quick snack. Let me know in the comments which flavor is your favorite, or if you have any other combinations you love. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.